Morning. Let me do something fun. Caramel nut pod. I don't know if I've ever said anything about nut pod, maybe not on YouTube. It's been a year since I've actually vlogged. So yeah, this. Then I found these at TJ Maxx, and I've gotten flavor syrups before, but they taste like fake and weird. These are actually Starbucks, so why not? I got a frother. Oh. Visit starbucks.com/at-home for additional recipes. Like my face, I can't talk. It's supposed to like loosen up your muscles, but this is gonna loosen up my face. Freaking hopefully. They have a toasted graham cracker Keurig cup. Ah! I want that. Okay. 2 shots of espresso. 2 ounces. I made 10 ounces of coffee. The fuck? So maybe I'll double it because it's less strong. Alright. You guys see what's going on? You want to come closer? Nut pod. Okay, that's not frothed. Oh my god. Shut up. This tastes incredible. Like, okay. Guys. So today's agenda. So last night I worked out, I did my laundry, did my sheets. There's nothing better than sleeping on clean sheets. And I made it a perfect opportunity to just sleep as long as I wanted. And I got 12 hours, which is really good for me. This has been for 3 weeks. I think Sunday will mark, tomorrow will mark 3 weeks. I would have watched 8 or 9 years of television. When you binge watch a show like that so intensely, it becomes a part of your life. I feel like the characters are my friends. It feels like every single time I come home, I'm lucky if I work out, I eat dinner, sometimes while I'm watching the show, and I just like go into that world. And it's gonna end today. I only have 4 episodes left. I've learned so much Australian slang from the show. All of it has to do with prison, so it's like not gonna help me in real life. I caught myself saying reckon the other day, like I reckon I should probably, and I shut that shit down quick. I was like, you cannot walk around America saying that. You never want to be a lagger. If you lag, you're like snitching on someone. Pissed is like you're drunk instead of like you're pissed off. Piss off means like get out of here. Oh, I know cuppa, like if you want a cup of tea, which I think is adorable. We should adopt that, America. If you're listening, America, if you're listening, we need to adopt cuppa. You want me to make you a cuppa? Love it. By the way, all of my reactions that you see on Instagram, they're actually a highlight, like my entire journey watching the show. And they're my first time reactions. the music, just like common sense, you know if something's building up. And I'll take my phone out and I'll record myself. So everything that you see on Instagram is actually my live first reaction to seeing it. But I have never cried so hard at a TV show and then had to take a break from the show because I was depressed the next day. That's not supposed to happen. Yeah, I love being inside. So when I have an excuse to be inside, like a sociable excuse, milk that shit. I milk it. It's a blizzard outside. No one's going anywhere. I have cookies. Okay, so the cookies are kind of a thing. I have eggs that are kind of old. Like they're on their last leg, but I just need one. I need one to make the cookie, so I think I'm just gonna go for it. If I get sick, here goes. Oh, hey now. Oh my God. Fuck. Oh my God. It's the end of an era. I can't even say anything because you guys are watching it. What's up, guys? Welcome to my cooking show. Welcome to my cooking show. Maddy's cooking show. I'll turn another light on here, shall we? Look at that. Okay, today we're going to be making vegetarian tacos. I swear to God, if I don't have taco seasoning. No, I have to. I planned for this. Fuck! Now what? This is for anybody who doesn't really love sandwich bread sometimes. For people who love putting chips on their sandwich or like on their cheeseburger or something for the extra crunch. And people who like putting salt and pepper on their deli sandwiches, which I am all the above. We take some chips, ultra thin deli slice, ultra thin sliced always, chicken breast with rotisserie style seasoning. And then I can fast forward, all you have to do is take a little piece of chicken on the chip. Now you have dinner. I'm gonna find the taco seasoning later, I know I am. This tastes good though. Baking some chocolate chip cookies, eh? Say my Australian accent now. Softened, not melted. I never understood the difference. Ever. Okay. I'm just gonna soften it in the microwave. I'm gonna microwave it, I'm not gonna melt it. Just gonna soften it. Oh boy. Okay. It's soft and melted. That's fine. Ta-da! Like I'm gonna split this one in half. a little bit of Nutella, and then cover her up. Okay, that was not that exciting. Okay, you can see it there. I just thought it would be kind of gooey. Oh my God. Wow. I should have done that with every single one. There's gonna be a problem. I was kind of hoping I'd ruin them. Maybe I just haven't had a warm chocolate chip cookie in a while. I'm happy that I was able to do this and capture the end of my Wentworth era because it was a 3-week long journey. I'm happy to be back vlogging. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram. Cheers, mate.